Welcome to the Cox Academy user guide for the Cox PowerFlow Cartridge Applicator. The Cox PowerFlow benefits from a unique Cox design compensation sleeve which reduces wear and distortion of the plunger, increasing the lifespan of the applicator over that of its competitors. The Cox PowerFlow is hand operated, designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom. PowerFlow is designed for the semi-professional and professional market, where reliability and longevity are key factors in the buying decision. The comfortable, robust cast handle provides users with a smooth, constant and easy trigger operation with a 12:1 trigger ratio. An important feature of this applicator is the flow stop control found at the rear of the handle. The switchable control provides users with the ability to take pressure off the cartridge when the trigger is released, removing the likelihood of overrun from the nozzle. Hold the cartridge firmly against a hard surface and with a sharp blade holding away from your body, cut the sealing cap off the cartridge. Firmly screw the cartridge nozzle onto the cartridge. Remove the nozzle cap and again using the sharp blade holding away from your body, cut the tip of the nozzle. Refit the nozzle cap. Ensure the plunger is fully withdrawn and then place the cartridge into the applicator, ensuring a good and level fit. Squeeze the trigger several times to move the plunger to the rear of the cartridge. Be careful not to overpressurize the cartridge. Remove the nozzle cap. Now, with a steady squeeze of the trigger, slowly move the nozzle over the area where the bead is required.